Did you know there's an action camera in 2025 that can shoot stunning 360 DG video and still fit in your pocket? Whether you're skydiving, vlogging, or diving 60 meters underwater, the right action cam can capture your epic moments like never before. In today's video, we're counting down the best action cameras of 2025, comparing their real-world performance, features, and price-to-value ratio, so you'll know exactly which one deserves your money. All the links are in the description, so let's dive straight in. Number 6. OM System Tough TG7. Let's kick things off with a tank disguised as a camera, the OM System Tough TG7. This rugged red beast is not just an action camera, but a versatile point-and-shoot built to survive anything. It's waterproof to 15M, 50F, freezer-proof to 10 to the power of, text, and text-proof to 100 kg, while its 12MP sensor and 4K video at 30 FPS aren't revolutionary for fast action. It shines in niche areas, specifically its microscope mode and focus stacking, which turns tiny details into vivid macro visuals. It's ideal for harsh environments, explorers, and documenting nature where survival is paramount. However, it offers minimal image quality improvement over the older TG6, and compared to newer models from GoPro and DJI, it significantly lags in video stabilization, dynamic range, and low light performance. Still, its incredible durability and macro capabilities make it unique. A great pick for serious explorers and harsh conditions, but not the best choice for fast-pacing, high-quality casual creators. Number 5. GoPro Hero 12 Black. Next up, the GoPro Hero 12 Black, the legendary standard for action cams, continues. This camera delivers reliable, high-quality footage with 5.3K 60 video, 27MP HDR photos, and the buttery smooth, hyper-smooth 6 stabilization, which is still among the best in the business. It significantly improved usability with the addition of a standard 1/4-inch tripod mount, vertical video recording straight out of the box, and Bluetooth audio for connecting external mics. But here's the thing, its low-light performance falls short next to the DJI Osmo Action 5 Pro's larger sensor, and while it's a measurable step up from the Hero 11, it's more refinement than revolution. It remains limited to a max waterproof depth of 10 mH33F without an external case. If you want proven reliability, exceptional stabilization, and cinematic shots in bright daylight, this one nails it. But if nighttime or deep diving is your playground, keep watching. Number 4. GoPro Hero 13 Black. Sliding into 4th, the GoPro Hero 13 Black brings more versatility and creative control to the proven GoPro formula. It maintains the same excellent 5.3K resolution and 27MP photo quality as its predecessor, but significantly enhances its appeal with support for the new HB series lens mods. This modular system allows users to quickly attach specialized lenses like macro, ultra-wide, and even anamorphic to the camera's body, opening up vast creative possibilities. It's built tough, waterproof, 210M, and the magnetic mounting system is super handy for quick adjustments. Daylight footage is gorgeous, but like the Hero 12, it still struggles with noise and detail in low light, where DJI's cameras pull ahead due to their larger sensors. It's the perfect upgrade for dedicated GoPro fans wanting more creative flexibility, but expect to pay extra for those specialized lenses. Number 3. DJI Osmo Action 5 Pro. In 3rd, the DJI Osmo Action 5 Pro makes a serious statement, challenging GoPro directly by prioritizing image quality over resolution numbers. This camera flexes a massive 1/1.3-inch sensor, significantly larger than GoPro's standard, which is the key to its superior low-light performance and high dynamic range, 13.5 stops. It shoots sharp 4K at 120 FPS and 40MP stills. Its endurance is also class-leading, offering up to 4 hours of battery life under optimal conditions. Dual OLED touchscreens make framing and control intuitive, and its native waterproofing goes deep to 20M 65F without a case, double what GoPro offers. Compared to the Hero 13, it trades a slight edge in max resolution for noticeably better night shooting and significantly longer continuous recording sessions. If you're shooting in varied lighting, challenging environments, or need long battery life, this might be your hero. Number 2. DJI Action 2 Power Combo. Coming in hot at number 2 is the highly innovative, ultra-compact DJI Action 2 Power Combo. This modular masterpiece is a triumph of design, featuring a tiny core unit with a 4K/120fps sensor and jaw-dropping rock-steady stabilization. The core camera is small enough to wear on a helmet or clothing and attaches magnetically to its modular battery pack or front screen unit. It is a joy to use for short-form creators and travel vloggers who prioritize portability and mounting options. The downside is that the core unit has a very short battery life, and more critically, it is known to overheat fast during extended 4K recording sessions. While it beats older GoPros in portability, newer models from both GoPro and DJI have it beat in heat management and continuous recording. Still, for its unique magnetic mounting system, incredibly small form factor, and excellent stabilization, this tiny cam remains a brilliant option for short, high-quality shots. Number 1, GoPro MAX, the 360D King. At number 1, we've got the GoPro MAX, or its expected successor, the MAX 2. In this camera is playing a different game entirely. It captures a massive 5.6K 30 or 8K on the MAX 2 360D sphere, allowing you to shoot first, frame later in the editing app, effectively giving you limitless angles from a single shot. It can also be used in a traditional hero mode. Its max hypersmooth stabilization and horizon lock are unmatched, using the full 360 deg of data for buttery cinematic motion. It boasts the best audio of any GoPro thanks to 6 microphones for ambisonic audio. It's also incredibly user-friendly with voice control and a front screen. While low-light performance is its weakness and editing 360 footage requires more computer horsepower, for maximum creative freedom, unique angles,